Hello, my name is Wallis Bird, and this song is called I Am So Tired of That Line. I love you, and you love me. I am so tired of that line. You hunt food, and I make the baby's hair. I am so tired of that line. Tell me, do you hear what I hear? Tell me, do you feel what I feel? But it's the wheels burning steel down the rail. Come on, every woman, every man, come on, get together 'cause you can. Oh, but it will always be the same if we always stay the same. Fight your loss, a train's coming, and eat your words, a train's coming. Fight your wars, a train's coming. Jump on board, a train's coming.